I arrived last night when the sun was setting. I thought it'd be easy to find some stealthy trees in the back of this rest stop, but little did I know that the wooded edge was just a wall of poison ivy. I ended up in a wonderful grove of trees between the highway and the access road, and I began to play a game that night called Name That Car. It's the start of day 5 on the log driver's waltz, and I'm 3/4 of the way done. The weather has been improving and getting hotter, but even with the unsettled weather at the beginning, it's been a wonderful break from work, exploring new areas and revisiting some old ones that I've ridden almost 20 years ago. The opposite of snorkeling. The landscape was changing. I was no longer in deep woods of Ontario. I was in open, rolling rangeland. Horses, cattle, hayfields. It was really nice and relaxing. And it seemed that every farmhouse I went by, there was at least a few dogs to greet me.
Hello. Hello. Yes, you're good. You're good. What's their names?
He's Casey and she's Scylla. They're brother and sister.
Oh, hey, Casey.
Yeah. Casey.
Hey, Casey. Hey, Scylla.
Good boy.
Good. What you doing? Yeah. You're awesome. You're doing your job.
They are, eh?
Well, bodies get broken, plans get changed, and vacations get salvaged. So after my knee is causing some problems again, and my hamstring starting to pull, a little bit of route changes, and enjoy the last couple of days of my vacation. It's supposed to be a vacation, so no point in completely breaking myself on a vacation. That's what happens, but hey, it's all about having fun, right? So it just dawned on me this morning as I was climbing out of Marie. So I was chatting to a dog that came out to greet me. They're not bilingual, so I should really be speaking to the dogs in French. Not wanting to create any more injury to my hamstring, I've decided to take a little shortcut down through the last little bit of the log driver's Waltz and take some back roads down to Low, through to Wakefield, and then to my finish in Chelsea. Remember that going on bike rides is supposed to be fun, so be flexible and take one day at a time. They talk about the size of the horseflies. Well, this was a bike fly because he was hitching a ride for at least 4 kilometers. If you like what you're watching here, why don't you do me a big favor and hit that like button? Helps a lot. And if you want, maybe even subscribe. Couldn't have asked for a better last day. Rolling farmland, sunny skies, gorgeous. Hello. How are things? Did big group go by you? Yes, they did. I'm on the rain course, so they dropped me. Arriving at the historic Wakefield Bridge meant I was close to the end of my journey. Now this looks like a historical bridge, but it has some history to it. In 1984, it was completely burned down through a senseless act of arson. But the town rallied behind, and eventually in 1997, through many donations and some government funding, the entire bridge was rebuilt. if you find yourself in Ottawa and looking for a good ride, check out Eric and Jen's Log Driver's Waltz. It's quite the route.
Well, it's finishing up the Log Driver's Waltz. I'm gonna call it the hobble because of my knee and my hamstring. I cut a few things out, but it still was a gorgeous ride. So until next time, be safe and have fun. Later.